Good morning, everyone. Namaskar. Welcome to the computer class of 10th. In our previous lecture, we have learned about how to insert image in an HTML document. In this lecture, our topic is lists in HTML, means how to create list within a web page or in a HTML document. So let's start with the basics first. HTML lists. So lists are used to arrange items in sequence or in order. So there are three types of lists available in HTML: unordered list, ordered list, and description list. Unordered list means bulleted list, ordered list means numbered list, and description list means one word is there and its definition. So let's start with unordered list. So unordered list means the bulleted list. There are two types of tags used with the unordered list, UL and LI. UL is for unordered list. The unordered list starts with this tag, and LI is list item. All the items written in under the LI tag. Attribute. So there is one attribute used with this list, that is type. Type is used to describe the type of bullet inserted in the list. So there are some values that is used with the type attribute: disk, circle, square, or none. Disk means the bullet, solid bullet. Circle means the empty bullet. Square means the square bullet, and none means no bullet will be appeared, only items will be appeared. So next is the ordered list. So again two types of tags are there, OL and LI. LI is the common for all. OL is ordered list. The ordered list starts with OL tag, and LI is the list item, means all the items written under the LI tag. So there are two types of attributes available. Two types of attribute which is used with the OL tag, that is type and start. Type is means what type of ordered list you want to insert, like numbered, Roman number, capital Roman number, small alphabet, and capital alphabet. There are 5 types of attributes, the 5 types of values used with the type attribute. Start is used to start a number, whatever order. If you want to start, like you can start, you want to start the list with the number 10. So write start equals to 10. The list will start with 10. And next is the description list. A description list is a list of items with a description of each term. Means the DL, that is description list tag, defines the description list. The DT means the description term, means the name of the term, and the DD is the description. Describe the description. The tag is describe each term. So let's start with the practical work. So first we open Notepad. Here is the Notepad. Start writing the code. HTML. Head section is not compulsory, so we'll skip the head section. Body, basic color equals to yellow. Okay, H1 center heading na. So first we have to write center tag, then H1. What is that one? Lists in HTML, that is heading of our page. Okay. Now first we create ordered list. So ordered list starts with OL tag. Okay, then LI. Okay, now you have to write the list items, like I have to write subject names in English. LI is an container tag, so you must close it or you cannot, it's not compulsory. So I just copy that and paste. Like I have written here 4 subject names OL. Later on, just close the body and close the HTML. Save this web page on desktop. Lists.html. What is .html? It's the extension of HTML web page. So it's on desktop. Okay, let's see. The list is saved here. So where is the output? So when before output comes, we'll start with unordered list also. Unordered list UL, then LI, so let's have a look on output. The background is yellow, lists in HTML is H1, H2 is ordered list, and there is a list. Okay, let's start with unordered list. Li, the same I will copy from here. Because li tag is common, so you will control S save, then go to this and refresh the page again. Unordered list will appear. Okay, next is description list. So description list. DT is the description term, then write this like mouse DT, and DD is the description definition. Then again DT, control S, save, and like description and its definition. So we can write the H2 description list H2, then description list. Now we can modify some with the help of attributes like OL tag. We can write the type attribute here, then double quotes I have written capital A, then refresh it, then it changes to capital A B C D. Okay, we can write small I, then it will be like small Roman numbers. Okay, then we can write starts equals to 9, save and refresh. The list starts with 9. This is the ordered list. Okay, so you can write capital I, small a, capital A, and numbers. Numbers are by default, so no need to write in the type. Okay, now comes to the unordered list. Unordered list type equals to square, circle. and it will comes to a empty circle. So you can write circle, disk, square and none. Okay, we can use a none also here, N-O-N-E, none. So it will, the dots will be disappear. So you can write some other word like square, so bullets will be in the square order. Okay, description list. So this is it. This is for today. Hope you will create a web page like this. This is your homework. You have to create one web page like this. There is ordered list, unordered list and description list. Write any 4 items and stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye bye.